Java Object-Oriented Programming. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Object-oriented programming concepts in Java are the main ideas behind Java's object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming has different basic concepts: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and interface. Encapsulation: mechanism you bind your data and code together as single unit. Inheritance: properties of one class can be inherited by the other. Polymorphism: define one interface or method and have multiple implementations. Abstraction: hiding the details and showing the essential things to user. Interface: mechanism to achieve abstraction.